Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to check if a substring exists in a string using the in keyword. To do that, I'm illustrating this with an example. So I'm having a variable called text and it's a string, and the string is learning Python is fun. This is my string. And I want to check for substring. To do that, I'm having the print keyword, and in parentheses, I'm saying in the quotes, I'm saying Python, and then in text. And text is the name of my variable. So I'm basically what I'm asking the compiler is to see if the string Python is inside and is included in string text. And you see the Python is there. So we expect to see the output to be true because Python exists in the string text. To say it to compiler, we use the codes saying that Python or anything that we want to look for, and use the in keyword and then use the name of the string that we're going to check whether a substring is there or not. So I'm saying Python a substring of text string. Learning Python is fun. So is Python included, let's say, in this string? The answer is yes. So we expect to see true here. And then I'm checking to see if I check and see Java is included in the string text or not. So we see this string is learning Python is fun and Java is not there. But I'm checking to see if Java is included in this string or not. And since Java is not there, we expect to see false in the output. And also we can check for the absence of a substring. For example, we can say Java not in text, and the output is true because we are saying Java is not in the string text. Yes? And it is going to answer yes, it's true. Java is not in the string text. So when I run the code, we see true, false, and true as we expected, true, false, and true. Basically, it is saying Python is included in the text string because we see the Python. Then Java is not included in the text string because Java is not there. You see no Java there, yeah? And then we are saying, okay, I think Java is not in the string text. Am I right? It says yes, you're right. So it is printing out true in the output. So this is how we can very easily check to see if a substring exists in a string using the in or not in keyword. Thank you for watching.